Hi, hello, I'm Larry Gracilla. Welcome sa channel na ito. Ngayong araw ay magsosolve tayo ng math problem na makakatulong sa pag-aaral mo sa electric circuits. So, nandito yung problem na ito. Okay? So, according to the problem, 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y, okay, so plus 2 raised to z is equals to 148. So yung pinapahanap sa atin ay yung value ng x, y at saka z. Ito ay simpleng algebraic problem na pwede natin gamitan ng konting mga principle sa algebra para makuha natin yung value ng x, y, at saka z. Okay? Yeah. So, for this solution, okay, solution natin, again, 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y plus 2 raised to z is equals to 148. Ayun. So, pwede kong i-multiply itong equation na ito ng 1. Pero yung 1 na yun in a different form, like 2 raised to x, no? So, 2 raised to x divided by 2 raised to x is equals to 1. So, pwede ko i-multiply ito. Yan. 2 raised to x over 2 raised to x. So, that is equals to 1. So, i-distribute natin sa mga terms niya. So, yung 2 raised to x times 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y plus 2 raised to z and equals to 148. Yung mangyayari, ito ay 2 raised to x. Okay? So, that is now 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y plus 2 raised to z equals 148, no? Equals 148. So, this will be divided by 2 raised to x. Yun. Again, so simplify natin yung equation. So, this is 2 raised to x, 2 raised to x. Okay, itong part na ito, 2 raised to x over 2 raised to x, 1 yan, okay? So, that will be, okay, 1. So, kopya lang, uli, 2 raised to y plus 2 raised to y over 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to z over 2 raised to x. Yan. Equals 148. Yun. Itong 148, kukunin natin yung sabi nga yung factor niya, no? So, this is the product, no? Kunin natin yung kung saan galing siya. So, pwede nating i-divide siya sa 2, di ba? Sabi doon, we have here 148 divided by 2. So, ilan yan? So, this is 74. Okay? So, this is 148. So, yung 2 times 74 is equals to 148. So, yung 74, pwede rin nating biyakin siya by 2. Divide natin by 2. So, this is 3, 6, 14, so 37. So, yung 148 ay pwede siyang 2 times 2 or 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 2 I mean. Sige, 2 raised to 2 which is this one, ito, ayan, at saka yan, okay, times this one, times, anong multiplier natin, times 37, ito, 37. 2 raised to 2 times 37. So, yan ay 148. So, dito sa equation natin, ito, yan. So, kung mapapansin mo, itong 2 raised to x na ito, this one, since na 2 raised to a power, ibig sabihin, ito ay magbibigay sa atin ng even. This will be an even number. Okay, ito naman, since na inad mo ito, no? By 2's din siya, pero meron siyang plus 1 dyan. So, ibig sabihin, itong part na ito ay odd number siya. So, therefore, kung gagamitin natin dito sa kabila, yung left side is equals to the right side. So, magiging alisin muna natin to. Itong 148 is equals to 2 raised to 2 times 37. So, ito, this part, ito, ay even. Ito naman ay odd. Okay? So, therefore, pwede natin gawin yung i-relate yung dalawa na yung 2 raised to x is equals to 2 raised to 2 kasi parehas naman siyang even. Yan, parehas even siya. Therefore, sa relationship na ito ng 2 raised to x equals to 2 raised to 2, no? Makikita natin yan na yung x dito is equals to 2. So, nakuha na natin yung unang sagot ng x. Ito yung unang value ng x natin. X equals to 2. So, ituloy natin. So, ano yung tira? Yung tira yung add. Yung tira is 1 plus 2 raised to y all over 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to z all over 2 raised to x is equals to the add, which is 37. So, lipat natin sa kabila yung 1. So, ito ay magiging 2 raised to y all over 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to z all over 2 raised to x is equals to 37 minus 1. So, itong 1 na ito ay nilipat dito sa kabila. 37 minus 1 is 36. Ito naman ay pwede naman nating uli i-multiply itong terms na yan by 2 raised to y all over yun, 2 raised to y. Okay? So, yun. So, let's further simplify. Since na yung x natin, ito, is equals to 2, okay? So, pwede natin gamitin siya. So, mangyayari, this becomes 2 raised to y over, so this is now 2 raised to y all over 2 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to z, 2 raised to 2, yan, equals 36. Yun. So, ito ay magiging 2 raised to y. Kopya lang uli. 2 raised to y. Okay, 2 raised to y over 2 raised to 2. So, ito lahat ay magiging 2 raised to y plus 2 raised to z. Common denominator siya ng 4, which is equals to 36. So, yung 4 na ito, pwede nating ilipat sa right side. So, from division, it will become multiplication. Okay? So, that will become 36 and 4. This becomes 2 raised to y all over 2 raised to y. So, this is 2 raised to y plus 2 raised to z equals to 36 times 4. Okay? Bali, distribute naman natin to, i-multiply natin ito dito sa terms na ito. Sige, multiply natin. So, yung matitira dito sa left side is 2 raised to y. This will become 2y, 2 raised to y divided by 2 raised to y equals 1. So, 2z or 2 raised to z, kopya lang, over 2 raised to y equals this is 36 times 4. Yan na. So, anong napansin natin? So, actually, pwede nating i-break down ito kasi ito ay galing sa 9 times 4. Okay? 9 times 4 is equals to 36. Yan. Sige. So, Pag breakdown natin yan, ito ay magiging 9 times 4 times 4 or 4 squared times 9. So, yun. Bali, again, ito ay even. Okay? Ito naman ay odd. So, in the same way, ito ay even. Ito naman ay odd. Ayan. So, pwede natin naman i-relate yung dalawa. Therefore, kung even yan, so yung even natin, 2 raised to y is equals to 4 squared. Or, this is 2 raised to 2 times 2 is equals to 2 raised to 4. So, yun yun. So, therefore, makukuha natin yung value ng y. Since na parehas na yung base niya, yan. So, yung value ng y ay y is equals to 4. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung value ng y. Y is equals to 4. So, maliwanag. So, isa na lang yung problema natin. Yun na lang z. Yung z. Okay? So, dito sa natira, sa add niya is 1 plus 2z all over 2 raised to y. Okay? Ito ay equal sa add na 9. Add number na 9. Okay? So, pwede na nating gamitin yung value ng y dito. No? Since na yung 1 na ito ay pwede nating ilipat ito sa kabila. It will become 2z yan all over 2 raised to the 4 is equals to 9 minus 1. So, bali, so this becomes 2z equals to 9 minus 1 is 8 times 2 raised to the 4. But 2z is equals to 2 raised to the 8 is actually 2 raised to the third power or 2 cube times 2 to the 4. So, 2z is equals to 2 raised to 7. Okay. So, therefore, makukuha natin yung value ng z equivalent sa 7. Ito yung value ng z natin. So, ngayon, nakuha na natin yung value ng ating x ay 2, yung value ng ating y ay 4, at yung value ng ating z ay 7. So, mission accomplished na tayo. Okay? So, salamat sa yung panunood sa channel na ito. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, pakihit na lang ng subscribe button at i-press mo rin yung all para sa mga darating na mga ina-upload natin ay maging updated ka. And also, pwede ka rin mag-comment yan sa comment section. So, thank you so much for watching.